When you are stuck at home with the kids and have nothing to do, don't despair. It's easier than you think. Homemade puffy paint is most entertaining activity. Super fun for kids of all ages, and it's not too terribly messy either. It's fun to just put on paper, let it dry, and feel the smooth puffy paint. I know that when your kids are bored and you don't want to stick them in front of TV again, here is an easy way to keep them entertained with your homemade puffy paint. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing how to make puffy paint at home. Here I will show you 3 DIY methods of making puffy paints. Please do watch till end. For method 1, I will use Fevicol and shaving foam. It is very easy to make. You only need 2 ingredients or maybe 3 if you want different colors, and the results are just amazing. I will use 1:1 ratio of shaving cream and glue. Mix it well. Now you can add color of your choice or you can use as it is. Here puffy paint is ready. I am keeping as it is. I am not going to add color as I will use for color a snowman with this. To make a puffy paint with shaving foam and Fevicol is the most easiest method. You can For second method of puffy paint, I am going to use half cup of refined flour or all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1.5 tablespoon of baking soda, or either you can say rising agent. Now I am adding all-purpose flour and adding baking soda and salt in it, and then adding some water to mix this all. little bit of water till you get a thin paste-like consistency. First of all, adding Fevicol. In one bottle, mix shampoo plus little bit of water and mix it well. Shake the bottle until the foam is formed. Now pour all the foam in the bowl, mix it properly. Here I show you 3 DIY methods with their reviews. Hope you friends enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next video. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.